Today we are going to make a 1-inch weld using the CSI IPS-200 and an AMI 9-1500 weld head. We will be using the auto program generator feature on the CSI IPS-200. With your CSI IPS-200 powered on and connected to your AMI 9-1500 weld head, begin by pushing the username activation block on either your remote or the touch panel on the power supply. Select the beginner profile. Select the password field, then type in 1111 and enter. For this demonstration, we will be using the power supply to create the weld program. Start by pressing Add on the program screen. Next, select your weld head by pressing the weld head pictogram cell. Select the manufacturer of your weld head. When selecting AMI, you will notice this brings up a list of available AMI weld heads. Select the 9-1500 weld head cell. You will then tell the machine what you are welding, starting with the outside diameter followed by the thickness. Then tell the machine what material we are welding. We then name the program. We then select the mode we are welding with, and finally the number of passes. Now we select the automatic creation button. After the power supply creates the program, you are returned to the index screen. Pressing the welding button takes you to the program library where you will see the program you just created, in this case number 9. Select the number 9. You must now calibrate the head. Start the calibration process by selecting Settings from the weld screen. In the middle of the screen, you will see the Calibration Start button. Pressing that button will begin the head calibration process. Return to the weld screen by pushing either of the two arrows at the bottom of the screen. Once your head is calibrated, to begin to weld, press the Start button. While the weld is in process, your screen will look like this, showing you the time remaining at the bottom in the status bar.